Syracuse, will we be seeing more of the same going forward?
Yes.
Simple answer. Yes.
So quick. I didn't even let you finish your sentence, Gary. That's the simple way of answering it, because we're caught in this like good Groundhog Day effect. Every single day is nice, and it's nice, and it's nice. But I got to tell you, my gut is feeling at some point this pattern will break, and we're going to have to pay for it, as we typically do here in Syracuse. Let's start out with a positive vibe, Gary. This is some video I shot earlier today on top of the Westcott Reservoir. Gary, I don't know how much you know about Syracuse with different parts of the area. This is somewhere between Westvale and Tipperary Hill. And we're kind of looking north right here, but that blue sky almost looks fake, doesn't it? This looks like somebody just put a Photoshop here, but I'll tell you what, it was this blue. Just wanted to capture that. And of course, if you ever have video you want to share with us, you can chime that in with our CNY Central Mobile News app, Facebook, X, Instagram, and we'll try and get your pictures and video on the news. It's 76 out right now at the airport. Whew, it's so nice, so nice. Humidity is low, the breeze is very light. 72 Hamilton, 76 Ithaca, and even in the 70s up in Saranac Lake. As we look at triple Doppler, trying to find precip, nowhere to be found. High pressure responsible for the very quiet conditions, and it's super slow in movement. It was only over here yesterday. If you watched me on the weather reports, now it's over to the right, to the east, over Albany, say. But the winds around it flowing clockwise, we will eventually get a southerly flow. And that's going to act like putting a fan next to a heater and blowing the heat away from the heat source, which is down this way. Temperatures down that way today were in the mid and upper 80s. That is hot for October. All right, futurecast. As we go hour by hour tonight, not going to be as chilly or cold as the last few nights have been. A few thin, wispy cirrus clouds, otherwise generally clear. Lows close to 50 here in the Cuse, otherwise 40s in the rural towns and villages with some dew and maybe a little fog out east and also southeast tomorrow. Another beautiful day. We're going to shoot up to close to 80. I don't know if we can all get there. Some of us will, some of us won't, but still upper 70s time of year. What else would you want on a weekend? Although, if we're going apple picking and pumpkin picking, you're going to be probably wearing more t-shirt shorts than flannel shirts and jeans. 79 tomorrow, 82, a little hotter on Sunday, 83, a little hot, a little humid on Monday, 77 Tuesday. The morning time is okay if you got plans. But afternoon and dinner time, rain, thunder with a cold front, rain when you wake up Wednesday morning for breakfast through lunchtime. 63 could be a morning high Wednesday. Then we have a huge blast of Canadian cold air coming through, down to 40 Thursday morning with some areas of frost. Chilly weather in quotes, Gary, on Thursday. And there you go, 60s still in the area by next Friday.
Thank you, Josh.